Hello and welcome. Today we have for you Stitch Fix for Men. We are doing this vloggy bits style since I do not know how to work the professional camera like we do on my clothing subscription boxes. So if you don't know, Stitch Fix is a subscription or a clothing subscription box or a styling service, however you would like to say that. You order a fix whenever you want. You can skip fixes whenever you want. You are able to fill out a profile. You are also able to leave a note for your stylist. John did not leave a note for his stylist. He completely forgot about Stitch Fix coming to him this month. You do get a return shipping label and packaging, so whatever you don't keep, you can just send back in the mail. You do get an invoice. It tells you how much everything costs, and if you keep all 5 items, you get a 25% discount. We will take a picture of that and throw it up in the corner. You also get a styling card, and we will take a picture of his note and stick that up in the corner, but it just kind of gives you styling ideas for the things that come in the box. If you guys are interested in Stitch Fix, I will put my code down below because I'm not sure what perks you get with his code, but with mine, you get your styling fee waived for the first time, and you get an additional $25 toward your first fix. So with that being said, let's get into it. So first we have the Julian and Mark Charlie Space Dye Polo in dark purple for $55. I think that it is a nice color, and we think that it fits okay. He is wearing an undershirt underneath it, so we're not entirely sure if it's a proper fit, but I like the way it looks. If we go down, we have the Mavi Matte Relaxed Fit Pant in the color brown for $98. They are a good length, it seems. Turn. I am not entirely sure. I like the way the pockets go down his leg. I'm not a huge fan of that. I think that butt pockets should be on the butt. They look nice from the front. I'm just not so sure about the back. And then we go down here and we have Rye by Hawker Rye, and they are the Hirima Classic Chukka in camel for $89. And I think that I like them. Can you lift your pant leg, please? They are more of a boot than a shoe, which is fine. I think they're nice. So there is that. The shirt is a maybe, the pants are probably a no, and I think that the shoes are a yes. Next, we have Red Ale by Aylesbury. It's the Ryland Western shirt in gray for $48. It is a very, very thick material. I think that it looks okay. I'm not sure how I feel about it, so it will go in the maybe pile. Next, we have a Fairlane 24/7 shirt in navy for $68. I am not entirely liking this small dot print. It's okay, but I don't know. From a distance, it looks okay. So it will go in the maybe pile. We will throw pictures up in the corners of anything that he might decide to keep. But that was a short and sweet video. Stitch Fix for Men. Say bye.
Bye, all.